Good morning. Say hi, baby boy. Say hi. Look at this. This one doesn't have anything this morning. My little boy. Look at that. We had an amazing sleep this morning, eh? Hey, baby boy. Oh, you're going to start barking at the cat now. It's okay. He's okay. He's okay. It's okay. Such a sweet boy. Such a sweet boy. So it's a little bittersweet because we should have been leaving what day is it today? It's Thursday. Yeah, we should have been leaving for the view today in Nashville. But it's okay. It's okay. Sunday. You don't need to be the sheriff. It's okay. Sunday. I was going to intervene, but it's best to just let them be, because if you intervene, Sunday will get more feisty. Come here, Sunday. Look, what's this? Come here. Come here, baby boy. Come here. So, as I was saying, it's bittersweet. We were supposed to be leaving for Nashville today, so I guess we were just not meant to go. And look at this, another bug bite. Like, I don't understand. But yeah, so it's going to be awesome seeing the comments and everybody talking about it in our group chat. But today is my boyfriend's birthday, so there's that. So it's like I don't know if it's the universe wanted me to stay here for him or what. So we'll see how the weekend unfolds and go from there. But yeah.
She got so insulted.
Okay, so we're talking about the Instantly Ageless product, and my sister and my mom were saying how I don't have enough puffiness, lines, and wrinkles on my face for it to work.
No, it's going to work. It's not visible, noticeable.
Exactly. So I was like, what, I sleep too much to have baggy eyes for you guys? But there's this though. Anyway, maybe today it'll work. But anyway, so they're talking about, well, why don't you do the creases here and the crease here? But I said to my mom, I'm like, I don't really see creases here, right? Like, I had my pictures from yesterday blown up. And she's like, I'm like, all I see is this cute woman with freckles who's wanted freckles all her life, and now she's got freckles. You know what my mom said? No, that's just dirt spots. She said, why don't you go wash your face with something more than water? I'm like, are you freaking kidding me? Like, that's so freaking rude. Oh my gosh.
Why is that rude?
It is rude because they're not dirt spots. Oh my gosh. But I identify as 25, so. As much as I love my first 2 streams of income, I'm so focused on this bot right now because this is life-changing for people. And I already have 3 people on my VIP list. And it makes me laugh that it's not available in the USA yet, but Americans are able to use our Akashx platform and be ready for when it is, and or introduce it to people who are not in the US, make a residual income, and then use that income to use it for the minimum, which is an amazing amazing feature. I'm telling people, I'm like some people are like, why would you think I have that $2,500? I said, I don't assume you do. I'm like, my job is just to share this amazing opportunity with people. Where you choose to get the money, if you have the money, that's all up to you, because I don't touch your money ever. I don't touch anything. But if you are short, because people claim to be broke, claim to not have any money, but the moment their car breaks down, money appears out of nowhere. You know what I mean? Or they want to get something that they really want, money appears out of nowhere. So I never take that as an excuse, because a lot of times it's bull. Like Josh, when he started My Daily Choice, he borrowed money from his uncle and sold his drum set because he knew that affiliate marketing was the future of his life and would give him the dreams and goals that he has. And now he has started My Daily Choice. Like, imagine he said, well, you know, I'm a broke college student, I don't have any money, so, oh, well, it's not for me. No. So, and then I tell people, well, you know, sharing this opportunity, the company will actually pay you $100 per person who signs up. So you can use that to raise the commission for it, the minimum for it. And it's a win-win, because those people who sign up need to pay the membership every month to get access to the bot to trade money and make money for them. So it's a win-win situation. Like, it's an immediate 2 streams of income. Immediate.